Understanding Time Constraint, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, time constraint. Understanding this phrase can help you communicate more effectively in both personal and professional contexts. Time constraint refers to the limitations or restrictions on the amount of time available to complete a task or activity. It's often used in situations where time is a critical factor. For example, if you have a project due in a week, you are working under a time constraint of 7 days. To better understand time constraint, let's look at some examples. 1. In the workplace, due to time constraints, we need to prioritize our most urgent tasks. 2. In education, students often face time constraints when preparing for exams. 3. In personal life, I couldn't explore the city fully due to time constraints on my trip. There are several expressions related to time constraint that you might find useful. Time sensitive, something that requires immediate attention or has a deadline. Deadline driven, work or tasks that must be completed by a specific date. Under the wire, completing something just before the deadline. Understanding time constraint can help you better describe situations where time is a limiting factor. Whether in professional settings, academic environments, or personal scenarios, this phrase is incredibly useful. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.